Create the sun in the hills in the morning. Hey guys, so my house is in desperate need of like a reset, and I was hoping that we can do that together. And also, please don't forget to like, to subscribe, and stay on the channel. I have let things get out of control. I just haven't been in a good headspace, and I just let things be. And normally I don't like clutter, and as you can see, my walls and my bed is wide, so I usually like to keep that crisp and nice and everything organized. But I also had my work just busy and just didn't have the energy or the time. So today we are going to do like a reset. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to clean my dishes, because I haven't bought things for the kitchen or like things for eating, so I have just a little bit, and girl, they dirty, so I need to clean those and make myself something to eat, because I have no energy even right now. So I'm hoping that I can just get some music going on, make myself some food, and we get to the cleaning. So this is my breakfast. I'm excited for this coffee. I've been making it a few days in a row, and I like it. So I don't have to go outside and buy an overpriced coffee. Well, unless I'm already out. So yeah. Table stand, area is clean, bed is done. I like to good kiss and just other rubbish. Then I might be onto something. I ain't giving you one impulse, I'm giving you hundreds bucket. Something we just gotta get into. Sweet first, middle, last, and the wisdom tooth. Boy, wishing that the face was a kiss and booth. Taste breakfast, lunch, and gin and juice. And that dinner just like dessert too. And when we French refresh, give me two. When I bite that lip, come get me two. You know, lipstick. I'm not gonna lie, it's still a lot to go, but it feels so good to have clean surfaces and I can see everything that's on the table. Unfortunately, there's not much I can do about this table because this is my workstation. I need everything that's here, and that charger is broken, so it has to stay like that. Oh, my skin is so bad. Now, the damage is there. My closet is a mess. But I got two situations. As you saw, I got my fridge, but the setup of the house, I'm still not happy with it. It's more about how functional it is for me right now, of which this works, but I understand that at some point I really need to separate kitchen, bedroom, or bed space, if I can say it that way. So I don't know if I want to swap the fridge with the work table, but then the light hits really good when I'm here because I need the light, especially during daytime. I don't have to use that one, and there it can be kind of dark where I put the fridge. So yeah, second situation is, so one, closet, two is my bathroom. So I kind of used this here. Laundry. So I don't have any coins yet. I think I'm gonna go to the store, get some coins, and I will do my laundry. I got this dress, which I've never had this color, but I'm just loving the dress, and I can't wait to wear it. But I will insert a clip of me trying it on because ooh. Another thing I got was this. It's actually a set, and I already wore the shorts with another top. It's so cute. It's so cute. I haven't worn this t-shirt, but I got it so cheap, but the quality, oh my goodness.
Exciting. It's a job and hoping I get it, but even though this basic is more on the
Update. The house is clean. I'm clean. Oh, I'm so excited. The only thing that's left to do is to take down the trash and to get coins for the laundry, which, yeah, but I just want to do something to my hair quickly, like tiny bantu knots. That's what I've been doing. Get to work. I have some work to do. I did my bantu knots. Now I'm going to have my dinner. I made some pasta. I'm watching Harry Potter. To run, but I just want to say something. Oh, it's the next day, by the way. I'm so tired. I did so much yesterday, but it's so nice to come back and your house is not a wreck. You got this tiny little parcel. Oh, so this is my parcel, and they sent me stickers. I'll put them on my computer because she look cute. These are so cute. Look. Wait, focus. Yeah. Oh, thank you so much. So my phone is an old model. That's why I'm filming. It's an old model, so it gets hot, it drains the battery. It is a crazy situation, but I got this. I am so excited. So small and so cute, and I because I didn't want the chunky ones. And I'm going to be traveling soon. Need my phone to be on, you know. Wow. So, let's go. Oh. Okay, that's the cable to charge it, I believe, because it does come with this shop is the best because they come with this little pouch for so cute, so cute, so cute. And just I love this. I love when the company puts effort onto what they are sending to you. Anyway, you like my nails? I could do myself. So this is how she looks, and has different kinds of cable. I need these 3. I don't know what this one is, to be honest. So see, my thing is, I thought this was really, really digital, but it's not. Just for show, I guess. But so, and we can put it inside. I can put the stickers here. Shut up. That's perfect. They know what they're doing. They know what they are doing. So this is like so happy because I'm that girl. I'm going to take this to the trash right away. You're not going to catch me in a messy house again. It is important to note that I'm black, so I'm definitely keeping this box just for a little bit, and then I'll throw it out when I know I cannot return it if I have any problems. Because now, like, if I have a problem, they're getting it back. So yeah, I'll keep this for now. Which reminds me, I need to clear out. You know what? That's gonna expose me because I just cleaned where you can see, where I can see. I don't have any storage things, so the drawers are not doing what they need to right now. But that's a story for another vlog. I want to say thank you so much for watching this. If you are feeling in a funk, you don't have to do everything all at once. Just get yourself moving, get started, clean your space. I promise you, it will help you feel a whole lot better, because I think the clutter just does something. It clutters your brain too. You cannot really focus. I think a productive space is very much important, and for you to get that productive space, clean it. So yesterday I was feeling lazy as hell, but I moved slow, did what I needed to do, got my music going. So that's your tip. Put on some vibes and just do it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye. XOXO.